Welcome to my channel, Quiz Up.
Who painted the famous artwork, The Starry Night? Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, Claude Monet. Vincent van Gogh. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Michelangelo, Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. Which artist is known for cutting off part of his own ear? Salvador Dali, Vincent van Gogh, Edward Munch. Vincent van Gogh. The Persistence of Memory, featuring melting clocks, is a painting by Salvador Dali, Vincent van Gogh, Edward Munch. Salvador Dali. Like, share, subscribe. Quiz Up.